Good afternoon everybody, Colin here with Techout, and today is the video everybody has been requesting. This is the open beta for Android 10 on the OnePlus 7 Pro. I had Android Beta 5, or the Oxygen OS Beta 5 installed yesterday, which was based on Android 10 Beta 6, but Beta 5 was released on Monday, and then this one was released on Tuesday yesterday, right after I made that video. So a little bit late on that, but here it is. I've been using it for about 26 hours now, and I haven't had any issues at all. It's been very stable. I'm not really going to go into anything because if you watch my last video, all the features and everything in this are pretty much the same as Beta 5/6, depending on which way you look at it. But the open beta is based on the release version of Android 10, and Oxygen OS features are now starting to be fully implemented into it, which we pretty much saw around Beta 5. Everything was starting to get in there, but everything is working. Android Auto now works. That was one of the major issues before. Android Auto wasn't working. That is now working, so no issues there. I'll show the build number real quick just so you guys can see it. But if we go down here, it is OP7 Pro _02 beta _1. So that now has a beta number since Oxygen OS now has its own Android 10 version that is in beta. It's not based on another version of Oxygen OS coming from Android 9 or Android Pie builds. So that is something we see now. So I do say this is stable. You can definitely go ahead and download it. If you are on a stable version though and you install the beta, it's going to wipe your data. So just keep that in mind. If you don't want to have to do a data wipe, I would just wait until this comes out to the public. I expect to see it here in the next couple weeks. The betas are normally about 2 to 3 weeks long, so if everything goes well, we may see a release at the end of September. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.